Hello, this is Ipshita Ghosh.
Hi, I'm Nilanjan.
Hello, this is Salman.
Hello, this is Vanshi.
Guys, do you know what results I get when I search for Salman's name in Google?
Yeah, I know all the recent articles and news about Salman Khan.
Wow, Salman, you're a superstar, at least in Google's eyes.
No, Google doesn't care which Salman we are looking for. It just shows all the documents which has Salman in it.
Yes, this technique is known as indexing. In indexing, it will return all the documents containing a particular term. For our case, like Salman. So if you search for CMI, it will return all the documents containing CMI in it.
Indexing, the same way we index books in libraries to its author's name and subjects.
Yeah, but the difference between searching in a library and an information retrieval system is that our query will be digital for search engines. One way is to store all the data in a term document matrix, where a column and a row are respectively a document and a term. So the ijth entry will be 1 or 0 respectively if the jth document contains the ith term or not.
Oh yes, and when we search for any term, it will show all the documents which has 1 in that term row. And if we are searching for more than one term, that is say W1, W2 and W3, it will return all those documents which has 1 in each row corresponding to these terms.
And then we can query phrases. Instead of Salman, we can search his full name, Salman Bakri. The documents containing 1 in the rows corresponding to the terms Salman and Bakri will show up in the result.
But there are some limitations to the term document matrix. We cannot build a term document matrix in a naive way. Also, adding a new document as a column is an expensive operation. But we can utilize the sparsity of the term document matrix.
But we don't need to use a term document matrix. We can instead store a linked list with each document. It will save both space and query processing time.
Right, and also guys, there is a more refined way of indexing using linked list, and it's called inverted index. And there we chop each document and tokenize it to form the relevant terms, and then we sort them. So instances of the same terms are grouped first by word and then by document ID. And there is also a dictionary which stores the terms and also has a pointer to the posting list for each term.
Storing the list of documents in which a particular term occurs is much more efficient. Linked list data structure can be used, and such lists are called postings.
Yes, and then we can modify it by having positional indexes of each term in a document along with the document ID. Now if we have to search a phrase, say Salman Bakri, we go to the individual terms and look up if they have appeared in common documents.
Yeah, and then we look for consecutive positional indices in the common document. Documents that have Salman in the jth position and Bakri in the j plus 1th position, then we are done.
When we search Salman's full name along with our institute's name, we get the results that we want. And here we can see our friend in the search results now.
Yeah, so finally we are able to search your name, Salman.